Our next question is from Rasima. Sorry if I mispronounced her name. Can someone start HRT even a year after they've stopped having their period, and will it bring them back?
So the answer is yes, that's safe to do, assuming you're under 60. So 60 is sort of this big cutoff age, and it has to do with the cardiovascular effects of HRT. But so even if you haven't had your period for a while, and really the studies say 10 years, so you could be 10 years out from menopause, under 60, and it would still be safe to start hormone replacement therapy. Will it restart your periods? Most of the time, no. Occasionally, yes. My experience is that first cycle, that first month or two, that's when you sometimes see a period, and then usually they go away after that. So you kind of have to get through that. But for most people, they really don't get a period, but some people occasionally do, but usually just at the start, and then it goes away again.